Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your ping using CMD. All right. First up, we would want to know what DNS server we are currently using. And to check, just go ahead and run your control panel. Go ahead, go to your search bar and just type in control panel right here and click on it. And this page will open. All right. Make sure that you're in the large icons so that you'll see the same image right here. But what we're going to do is just click on Network and Sharing Center. All right. Click on it. Now in here in the left pane, just click on Change Adapter Settings. Now you should be able to see your Wi-Fi right here, or Ethernet. As you can see here, I'm using Ethernet and I am only using Ethernet. That's why you're only seeing Ethernet right here. So I'm just going to double click on it. Now go ahead and go to Properties. Now in here, just locate Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. Then highlight it, then click on Properties. And as you can see here, I'm currently using the Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. What we're going to do with that information is go ahead and run CMD. Now type in ping 8.8.8.8. All right. Just hit on enter. As you can see here, it is now pinging. You have the minimum, maximum, and the average right here, and also the time to leave. Now, if you want your CMD right here, like running all the time or the ping running all the time, just go ahead and type in again your DNS, which is ping 8.8.8.8 space -t. All right, hit enter. As you can see here, it will just go non-stop. And that's basically how you check your ping using CMD. All right, another cool stuff right here when using the ping on your command prompt. Let's say, for example, you're trying to check which one is better. All right, say for example, you have two DNS that you would want to use. For example, the Cloudflare's DNS, which is 1.1.1.1, and the Google's DNS. Now to check which one is better, just type in ping 8.8.8.8. This is Google's DNS. Now let's just wait for it to finish. And as you can see here, it's done. Now type in ping 1.1.1.1. Hit enter and wait for it so that we can compare. All right, as you can see here, minimum, maximum, and average is way better here when I'm using the Google's DNS. Yours might be different. Your internet might be faster when using the Cloudflare's DNS. All right, just go ahead and check it out. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.